Hello and welcome back. Mary Jacob here, local real estate gal with PB and Associates. Spring is in the air, and I'm not sure if you've got the spring cleaning bug, but I did. In fact, I recently put one of my own homes on the market. I'll send you the link in case you're interested in taking a look at it. Spring is a wonderful time for homeowners to list their property. With the lowest inventory we've experienced in over 15 years, and the continued improvement of interest rates, it's a great time for homeowners to sell a home and either move up, downsize, or relocate out of the area. If you're interested, give me a call for a free home evaluation. And not to worry, buyers, this is typically when the inventory increases. So you'll have more homes to choose from. And also with interest rates improving, this also increases your purchasing power. So if you're thinking about buying, make sure that Mary Jacob, the local real estate gal, is your first call. I do want to tell you thank you for your continued support and referrals. I hope I continue to be your real estate resource for the Central Coast. Mary Jacob, realestate at yahoo.com, or you can reach me at 805-714-5973. Talk to you soon.